NDAX Wallet Canada pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume using NDAX Wallet comes with hidden fees or monthly charges. The surprising truth is, opening and holding an NDAX Wallet is free for all Canadian users. You only encounter fees when buying, selling or transferring crypto, and these are transparently displayed before any transaction is completed. NDAX supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and more. For example, if you sell Bitcoin, NDAX applies a standard trading fee of around 0.2% per transaction, but there are no hidden markups. Withdrawals to external wallets also involve network fees, which are standard across all blockchain networks, but NDAX does not add extra charges on top. The wallet also integrates seamlessly with NDAX trading platform, allowing you to easily deposit Canadian dollars, swap cryptocurrencies, and track your portfolio in real time. Security is robust, featuring two-factor authentication, offline cold storage for the majority of funds and regular audits to ensure your assets are safe. In conclusion, NDAX Wallet offers a free, secure and transparent way for Canadians to manage cryptocurrency. Clear fees for trading and withdrawals, combined with strong security measures, make it a reliable choice whether you're just starting or managing a diverse crypto portfolio.